Now you tell me, the central nervous system or control center will do what? Will interpret that signal received from the receptors. If body temperature increases, what kind of interpretation your central nervous system supposed to do? What do you think? Your central nervous system or brain will first need to decide temperature has increased or decreased, right? First thing. If the temperature, body temperature has increased, how much increase? Increase could be 1 degree, 2 degree, 5 degree, right? So your brain can detect that. And then brain, after interpreting the signal, the brain will send signal, in this case, tell me everybody, to the sweat glands to do what? Sweating. Is it clear? So brain will send the signal to the glands. Which glands? Not all the glands. Which glands? Skin glands. Because other glands has nothing to do with this, right? So skin glands, those are the sweat glands, will release water, right? That water will take the heat out. Okay? So in this case, the sweat glands are the effectors performing the task. Is it clear? So in very simple way, write it down. Receptors detect the signal. Is it clear? Detect. And control center does what? Interprets, right? Mm-hmm. How much increase or how much decrease or how much signal should be sent to the sweating. Make sense? And the control center will also send signal to the effector who will perform the action. In this case, the sweat glands will get the signal. So those are three components. Now, how many mechanisms of homeostasis? Mechanisms. Negative and positive feedback, right? 2. And how many components? 3. Receptors, control center, effector. Make sense? Don't confuse. If I ask you mechanisms, those are 2, positive and negative. And the components are 3. Okay, so let's move forward. So here you see that this is the normal body function. If that function changes, imbalance occurs, then receptors will detect that, right? Receptors will detect. Then will send signal to the control center. Control center will interpret or analyze that signal, right? How much increase or how much decrease, right? Should be decided by the brain. And will send the command to the effector. And effector will perform the action. Okay, task. We have talked about this. So just this is positive feedback, clot formation. Okay. So orientation is done. Let's talk a little bit about the chemistry of life. Okay.